In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new asset type in your accounting software. By the end of this guide, you'll have a thorough understanding of how to navigate through these settings to effectively manage your fixed assets. Let's begin by heading over to where it all starts, the main menu in your accounting software. You'll want to look for the option labeled Accounting. It's the gateway to handling your financial records, so go ahead and click on it. Now, within the Accounting section, we need to focus on the settings related to our fixed assets. To do this, locate and click on Accounting Settings. This is where you'll find various options tailored to customize and streamline your accounting practices. Once you've opened the accounting settings, you should see an option specifically for fixed asset settings. This is where we will be making our detailed configurations, so select it to proceed. Now, to introduce a new category of assets, you'll want to click on New Asset Type. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter a unique name for your asset type. It's important to choose a name that clearly identifies the category you're setting up, like motor vehicles. Type this into the Asset Type field. This helps in keeping your records organized and easy to interpret. Next, under the Asset Account, you'll need to select the appropriate fixed asset account from your chart of accounts. This part is crucial as it ensures that your new asset is accurately categorized within your financial reports. Carefully choose the existing account that best fits the asset type you're creating. In addition to the asset account, we have the Accumulated Depreciation account. This account accumulates all the depreciation charged on the asset and helps track the reduction in value of your asset over time. Ensure you select the correct option here as well. We then move on to the Depreciation Expense account. This is where the cost associated with your asset's depreciation will be recorded. Selecting an appropriate depreciation expense account is essential for accurate financial reporting and budget analysis. The next step involves choosing the depreciation method. Typically, there are options like the diminishing value or the straight line method. The choice of method depends on how you plan to allocate the depreciation expense over the useful life of the asset. Most businesses prefer the straight line method for its simplicity. But if your asset loses more value in its earlier years, the diminishing value method may be more appropriate. Once you've selected a depreciation method, decide whether you're going to use rate or effective life to calculate the depreciation and enter the corresponding details. These figures will determine how your asset loses value over time. Finally, take a moment to review all your entries to ensure accuracy, and then click Save. This action will add the new asset type to your list, and you're all set. You've now successfully added a new asset type to your accounting system, making it easier to manage and track specific assets in your business.